Is it far from here?
No, it's not far.
Is it Japanese food?
Yes, it is Japanese food.
Whose friend is he?
He is my friend.
Where is your room?
My room is on the second floor.
What is over there?
There is a park over there.
Is this book yours?
Yes, this book is mine.
Is she your sister?
Yes, she is my sister.
Where is your cap?
My cap is on the table.
Where is the pain?
The pain is in my stomach.
Where is my watch?
Your watch is on the desk.
What is going on?
There is a meeting going on.
Can you find it?
Yes, I can find it.
Can you handle it?
Yes, I can handle it.
What does it mean?
It means to understand.
May I put it here?
Yes, you may put it here.
When does it begin?
It begins at 9 a.m.
Will it rain today?
No, it will not rain today.
How did you make it?
I made it by following a recipe.
When did you buy it?
I bought it yesterday.
How long does it take?
It takes 30 minutes.
When was it finished?
It was finished last week.
May I do it right now?
Yes, you may do it right now.
How was your day?
My day was good.
What will you use it for?
I will use it for writing.
What is on the desk?
There is a laptop on the desk.
Can I turn on the TV?
Yes, you can turn on the TV.
What's going on here?
We are having a discussion.
Has he come yet?
No, he hasn't come yet.
What did he say?
He said he would be late.
Does he live here?
Yes, he lives here.
Why did he run away?
He ran away because he was scared.
Can he speak English?
Yes, he can speak English.
May I pay by check?
Yes, you may pay by check.
Will you go by train?
Yes, I will go by train.
Do you charge for delivery?
No, we do not charge for delivery.
Should I wait for you here?
Yes, please wait for me here.
Was there a lot of traffic?
Yes, there was a lot of traffic.
Are you free on Tuesday?
Yes, I am free on Tuesday.
When will you be back?
I will be back in an hour.
Will it be hot tomorrow?
Yes, it will be hot tomorrow.
Would you play with me?
Yes, I would play with you.
What do you do on Sunday?
I go to the park on Sunday.
Will the train leave on time?
Yes, the train will leave on time.
Why are you angry with him?
I am angry because he was late.
What is the matter with you?
I have a headache.
Do you know who made it?
Yes, John made it.
What was served at the party?
Cake and juice were served.
May I take a rest for a while?
Yes, you may take a rest.
Will you help me for a minute?
Yes, I will help you.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs for breakfast.
Is your mother at home?
Yes, my mother is at home.
Can I use your phone?
Yes, you can use my phone.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!